All right, so hey
Yes.
guys, um, hey, this is Sid Hamid with Brick Farm Properties and Construction. How you guys doing today? Today is the 18th of March. It's day three. That's on this virus thing here in Washington D.C. and Maryland. We get up to 85, 90 cases now, and I've just been reading some of the stuff just overall in the markets, um, and how fast this coronavirus is expanding. I mean, this is crazy. I didn't believe it last week, 7, 8 days ago. But now I'm starting to see the impact and, definitely washing my hands and being careful with, what I touch. Um, but anyway, man, this is crazy. Um, but today, I was looking at some of the headlines that's taking place in Maryland. Since I live here in Maryland, Washington D.C., I noticed some of the local guys are starting to get it. And then also we have local, like next door, which is a local community. So you can get on your local next door type communities like Temple Hills, Oxon Hill, Upper Marlboro, DC, Arlington, Fairfax. You get into your local community application. And then if anybody gets it inside the community, then it's just getting closer to you. So then you really gotta get careful, as it gets closer to you. So just pay attention, to the news and pay attention to the resources. So, but today, in terms of the real estate market, there's a lot of articles about here about the real estate market and the impact. The people are saying just to wait for this stuff to blow over. Um, I mean, the market will come back. It's going to take some time, but keep in mind, and especially here in Washington D.C., Maryland, Chevy Chase, Bethesda. One thing we have, actually, we have a lot of things here with the jobs, and we got the government, we got the lawyers, the legal firms. We have over 150 hedge funds here. We got a lot of institutions that are coming here, so we're in a very strong market. We're not in a place like the Midwest, where they don't have all these big jobs and salaries of 300,000, 400,000 type salaries. Maybe they do in some places, but here we just have more of it. So we'll come back, but right now I think it's just a matter of just waiting, being patient, watching everything, getting your money right, getting pre-approved, talking to your joint venture people, raising your capital, um, saving the properties that make sense to you. But start reading, start paying attention, and doing your research, because this is the time where the rich get richer and the other people stay the same, right? So use this opportunity. I mean, use this crisis, to think about, get creative. How can you make money inside of this crisis, right? And believe me, there's others that are doing it. So here's a chart I was looking at earlier in terms of the housing for Washington D.C. So when you look at here, March of 2019, and then here's basically around the March of 2020. So we're basically almost at the same. I mean, this was right here, 676, 626, about 50 homes less in terms of sales. But in December, we were at 746, and then January we took a hit, 568 in terms of sales. So pay attention to the data. Learn the data. Learn your farming area. Learn, the neighborhoods that you want to invest in. Get to know the properties and go out, start reading and doing your estimates and getting your money together. Because we will get out of this. I mean, the virus will come and go, and as long as we're all cautious and careful, and we do what the government is telling us to do, wash your hands and stay away from people and not have extra. Like, for example, today, we had our company scheduled to come over to do the cleaning, and you know, I called them. I said, listen, I said, you guys, you can't come over today. You can't, I don't know. I don't want nobody in the house, especially them using the equipment and tools, and they're in other people's houses than coming over. So I had to cancel that. Um, and I'm sure a lot of you guys would have canceled it too. So, things like that. And then I got a little stir crazy just being in the house, but I went outside for a walk and took it easy and took a little drive. But yeah, the market is changing, man. And I did get a couple more deals. I looked at the deals that came in yesterday. They were a little priced too high right now, um, but they're on my radar. So I'm just gonna like watch it and then go in and make the offer that makes sense for us first, and then we will look at these deals as they come in. But with brick farm properties and construction, we've been around since '89. I've been doing construction work, been involved in hundreds of deals, um, been involved in teaching brokers, teaching real estate agents, helping brokers and their firms to grow. So, yeah, I'm a local guy here in Prince George's County, and one of the things that I'm building out is going to be an online course where you guys will be able to buy different materials, and I'm going to keep it real inexpensive, like $12, $15, $18. Um, there'll be a lot of resources, tools, and documents in there, and data, right? So I'm really data driven. So I do a lot of reading myself to pay attention to, what's going on from the top, right? And then I make my own decisions, in terms of what I'm going to do, what strategies, how I'm going to play the market, and then also have resources and friends that also um, pay attention to the market. And we talk, we engage, we share ideas, figure things out. And so, between all of that, hopefully you could, make the right decision, the right choice in terms of which way you want to go. But through this channel, Brick Farm Properties and Construction, you guys watch the videos, give me some love, share some information, um, and just stay tuned, just pay attention. And like I said, I don't know everything, but I just know what I know, and I'm just going to be sharing some of the feelings and the feelings that I have about the market and the things that I'm hearing and the things that I'm reading. And if it works for you, great, use it. If it doesn't, ignore it. Let it, keep moving. But I do this anyway on a daily basis because I want to educate myself, and I want to be able to make educated choices and decisions when the market is going down. You do want to buy, but you want to buy at certain tiers in certain neighborhoods. So I get something in like Class A neighborhood in Arlington, Fairfax, and Bethesda, and Chevy Chase, and some of these A-class neighborhoods, and you get it for a 40%, 30% dip. I mean that could be a good buy, because we know as soon as the market does go back up, you're gonna go back up, a certain range. But like B plus neighborhoods, I'm watching in those areas, paying attention, and then condominium rentals, right? So there's a lot of condos that you could get at a cheap, and then rent those out for cash flow and things like that. But yeah, just pay attention, read, man, and let me know if you have any questions on the Facebook, or you can send me a email on the website at sidhamid@brickfarmproperties.com, or yeah, if you want to set up a strategy call, you want to talk things through about your business and how to navigate through the crisis here, give me a call. We can schedule a time. We do a strategy session, help you figure things out and create a game plan so you could come out of this on the other side, and hopefully win, right? Play the market. So yeah, just like I said, I do a lot of this stuff on a regular basis, and today is March the 18th, 2020. So every day, while we make small little videos, 5 to 6, 7 minutes, and then yeah, just letting people know what's going on. All right. So Sid Hamid, Brickfront Properties and Construction. Let me know if you guys like this information, if you appreciate it. If not, don't pay attention to it. If you like it, then cool. Keep listening.